My video tutorial is about getting rid of the new adware called StandartServer. StandartServer is a new adware that may attack Safari, Google, Chrome, and other browsers. StandartServer adware, once installed, may periodically display its quite intrusive advertisements randomly on your screen. StandartServer adware also may from time to time redirect your browser to a lot of dangerous resources in the internet. And so, if it was found on your computer somehow, take your time and get rid of this adware immediately. So check your applications, locate this StandartServer, right-click on it, and then move it to the trash. Also, to be convinced that your computer is free of any other infections, consider researching the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Go to the page combocleaner.com, use the green download button, install it, and then after it gets successfully installed, start researching your computer to detect and remove other possibly hidden infections. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.